Third Day Grade 2 and Grade 3. I'm glad you could join me for some math today. So let's get started. Grab your book and a pencil and your math brain. Turn it on. Let's go. All right, let's get started with our math, grade 2 and 3. So we're going to start with measurement today. That's the strand of math that we're working on for daily math. What's the symbol for millimeter? Well, it's just millimeter. All right, and it's asking us to draw a line that's 2 centimeters long. Now I'm going to try and do this with my camera hand that's busy. So you're going to use a ruler if you have a ruler at home. If not, you can skip this one, but I'm going to show you the rules for a ruler. So you start, make sure you start at 0. Don't start at 1, start at 0. And then you're going to draw, oh, again, let's find, start at 0. Hold your ruler really tight and then go along until you get to 2. So you're just going from 0 all the way to 2 and not past. So there's a line and it's 2 centimeters long. Okay, number 3. Find the perimeter and the area of the shaded shape. So the perimeter, remember the perimeter highway? Vroom, vroom, vroom. It's all the way around the outside. So we're going to count the perimeter in units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 units. You could also go 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4, so 6 plus 8. You can just add. You don't have to count each one individually. You know this is 3, and this is 3, and this is 4, and this is 4. So you could go 4 plus 4 is 8, 3 plus 3 is 6. And the area, and we count area in square units. So let's count our squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 square units. Now, if you want to get real fancy, you can go length times width equals area. So 4 times 3 equals 12. It's the same as counting every single one. You can just do length times width equals area. And now I've gone into number 4 space, but that's okay. So what time is it here? So right now, we look at this hand, the shorthand tells us the hour, so it's 5, and then it's at the 6, which is 30. We count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So it's 5:30. 5:30. In 15 minutes, it will be, so let's count. 5:30, 35, 40, 45. 5:45. All right, let's go through right now and do an array for each of the following equations. So 2 times 2, my array, remember from yesterday we did arrays? So I've got 2 and 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3, so again, I'm going to do 2 rows of 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and that's 6. 2 times tables are just doubles. 2 times 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's 8. 2 times 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. And if you'll notice, 2 times tables are the same as doubles. So that's good to know when we move on to the next page. All right, 2 times 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 times 6 is 12. All right, 2 times 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my arrays, it's not the neatest array I've done. Sorry about that. But 2 times 8 is 16. All right. So now that you've drawn your arrays, let's move on. And we're going to play this game. Now, I should have put a note in here that you need a paper clip to play the game. All I'm going to do for this one, I'm going to play a couple, and then I'm just going to end it and I'm going to let you continue on your own. So it says multiply the number 2, find and color the cactus with the product. So that's all we're doing. We're looking, and we're looking here at our things. Sorry, we're going to spin, and then we're going to color and write down the equation. If that sounds confusing, bear with me. I'm about to show you what to do. So to use your spinner, remember you put your pen in the middle if you have a paper clip. If not, you could just close your eyes and point. Oh, so my spinner says 7, so I would go 2 times 7 is 14. So I'm trying to find a cactus that has 14. Oh, there's 14. And I'd write 2 times 7, 7 is 14. And then I would color it in. And again, you're at home, you might have some nice colors you want to use for that. I have a pen, and that's what I'm going with. And then I would spin again. Spin 11. So 2 times 11 is 22. 22, so I have to hunt for 22. Oh, there it is. And I would write 2 times 11, and I would color it in. Blue cactuses, that's a thing, right? Okay, so I put my pen in the spinner, spin. I already did 11, so let's go with 6. So 2 times 6 is 12. So I find 12. I color it in and I write 2 times 6. All right, I'm going to do one more, and then I'm going to leave you to do the rest because this is kind of a fun thing for you to do on your own. So again, if you have a paper clip, you can use a paper clip. Even if you have a hair clip at home, like a bobby pin, that would work. So you put your pen there in the middle and you spin. That's a pretty sad spin, but I'm at 4. 2 times 4 is 8. So I find 8. 2 times 4 is 8. So you're going to continue on. You're going to keep going until you fill in all of them. So whatever number you get to find out 2 times that number, you double it. You know your doubles. So there's no reason you can't do this. Even if you're like, but I don't know how to do multiplication. That's not true because all of us know our doubles. So I want you to go work on this and finish it up, and then you are good for math for today. If you'd like to practice your 2 times table, you could also practice writing them out. So 2 times 1 equals 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. Write out all sorts of different equations and practice them because that'll make it easier when we come to use our facts. If you know your 2 times tables already, that's one less thing that you have to memorize. Anyway, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow for more math. If you were stuck, maybe it helped you understand what you were doing. If you knew what you were doing, I'm sure it helped you correct your work. So I hope that was helpful for you, and let's have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow for more math.